I wanna show you how to add the object spin effect in Premiere Pro, let's go! In my case, I have already added the image to my timeline, and the goal is to make the spinning effect. As the first step, we need to setting the duration of our image to about 4 seconds. Following, go to the effects control, make sure that the timeline is at the beginning, and click on the rotation. The first stopwatch icon will appear. Second step, move your timeline almost to the end of the image, more or less 3 seconds. And by the rotation, change the value to 15x. Next, select both keyframes, right click of the mouse, and choose Easy Out. Expand the rotation, and you will get the drop-down menu. The thing that you need to do is to make these dots closer to each other, to make a peak. Perfect, everything is ready, let's see the result. Guys, we are developing this channel to make it better and better. Support us, put your like and subscribe.